So on this channel, we cover anything stocks, crypto, forex. So today, I just wanted to take a quick 5 to 10 minutes to just quickly go over Tradingview and really give you a tutorial for beginners. So it's really just the basic stuff you can use just to get started. So I'll just share my screen. All right, and then we'll be pretty brief, just in case you guys jump on the video. Just say where you're from, and if not, just hopefully enjoy the recording. So as you see here on my screen, so I go, I'll probably just make it full size. There you go. So as you see here, so you would get, let's say for a pair, you would go over here and then let's say odd USD. So that's the pair I selected. So you can make a list of them. Create new lists. That's what you can get here. So that's what you would need to get started. Essentially, get one thing started with at least a pair or some stock specifically you're looking for. So in this case, we take Australian dollars. So I'm on the daily chart here at the top, and you can change candles for anything. Hollow candles, Icon-Ashi. So that one is more based on momentum. Then you can have lines as well. You can do all that stuff from this tab. So let's get it back to candles plus. All right, so you can compare with other stuff here. Don't use that too much. Indicator and strategies. So that one is big. So if you need something specific like RSI and stuff, so you would find it here, relative strength index, and then you would say click on that, and then after that you can plus this here, and you can always remove it here. So that's another tab. So that's all presets that you can save up here for different strategies that you're using. You can go create alert, but also display at the top. It can display on the side here as well. I've got a few setups for some of the Australian pairs, and some over the crypto side, and then one feature that's actually pretty good is in snapshot. So you want to take that, and then you can share that with other people on your, let's say, Telegram or stuff like that. It's easy to send over. And essentially, that's going to look quickly like, if I drag this over, it's going to look quickly like you drag it over, and it's a chart that you see right there. So that's a pretty neat feature you can use. So if you have, in case you've got, you're watching this, you've got Telegram. I'll also have a Telegram. I think I got rid of it here. So just ask, and I'll get you the link to go to it. So you can minimize that here. So what I use the most, so I'll just quickly keep it for beginners. Let's say a trend line. So let's say in this case we can do it this way, and then that would be your trend line. What you can use, you can then change different colors here, and you can change the thickness of it. So let's say want it smaller, and so on. You can play with that. Create alert. Let's say when the price crosses up through your line, then you can set something specific like an alert, especially for that. Fib retracements, and that's another tool in this one that I'm using quite a bit. I don't know. So, sorry. Let's go back over here, and then let's grab that again. So something like you would go from bottom to top, and then you would create that. So that's all the Fibonacci levels. If you'd like to know more, just let me know. We can certainly go over that a bit more. And then other stuff here that I'm using. So it could be like, so we're waiting for this here, that, and then it's going to cross. We're going to wait for a retest for potentially go up. So it's quickly drawing tool that you can use on TradingView. That's really useful. So that's the main. So the ones I'm showing you right now are the main ones I'm using. Then you can go back here and then delete that. What else? That feature is also good. So if you go here on that tab, well, there's text as well you can use. So call out, I can use that. So let's say we put, that's in this case, watch for, let's say, breakout, wait for bullish flag before buying. something like that. So you can put a little note. So as you come through the week, then you can refer to that. So that's another tool I'm using. Next one over is so long and short position. So you can calculate your long and short position. So let's say we're going to take a buy from here or something like that. So you have your risk ratio. You can put your account. If you go in settings, you can put your account size if you got $1,000 and the amount you want to risk, and it's going to enter a different numbers, your risk level, and then let's say if you'd like to trade 341 in this case, whatever. So that's a stop level. Let's say we would put so that's in ticks, so 50 pips, so 500 points, so 500, and then you would go for, let's say, 1500. In this case. So now you see, if you click on that, you get a risk ratio of 3. So that's a tool that I'm using. At the bottom here, I'm using the MACD 4C, and then you can have the options here when you select this here. So yeah, that's a quick, really, that's a quick rundown of what that looks like. So it's just the main tools that I'm using with TradingView. The more you use it, the more you get better at it, essentially. So again, if there's any questions, just let me know. We can go over a few things specifically. Other than that, yeah, so that was really a quick video to introduce you to TradingView. If you've got questions, I know some of you might be using MetaTrader 4, so that one's a bit more interactive. There's a mobile version for this too. Let me create it bigger. So yeah, there's a mobile version for that too. So it's really good. So you can do your charting on your desktop, and then once you're away at work or something, then you can just check your charts if you're ready for a trade, and then use your MetaTrader or other tools that you're using. So yeah, if you've so hopefully you liked this video. So if you liked it, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel with the alert as well, so you know when I'm going live and stuff like that. And again, if you've got any questions, just let me know. I'll be glad to go over it again. So like last time, I had a comment about talking about stocks, so I'll try to do that on the next video. So if you enjoy, we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.